Cloning is a technique scientists use to create exact genetic replicas of genes, cells, or animals. An example of cloning from nature is twins. They share almost exactly the same genes. The identical twins are created when a fertilized ova it splits in two. The way of clone a gene in lab is taking DNA from a living thing, insert into a carrier such as bacteria. Every time that carrier produces a new copy of the gene is made. On the other hand, to create an animal clone, another technique is used. One of the techniques is called embryo twining. Scientists first split an embryo in half. Those two halves are then placed in the mother uterus. Each part of embryo develops into a new kid animal, and the two animals share same genes. The first cloning in the animal world was carried out in 1952 through the ovum of a frog by scientists from the University of Pennsylvania, who after their success continued to clone with mice. From the first experiment, it was concluded that somatic cells could be used to clone a complete living organism. In 1996, developed by Scottish scientists, and it was a sheep they called Dolly. It was cloned using an adult cell taken from an adult sheep. Since then, scientists have cloned cows, cats, deer, horses, and rabbits. Scientists needed 276 events to hit Dolly. An important application of cloning is therapeutic cloning, is the creation of a cloned embryo for the sole purpose of producing embryonic stem cells with the same DNA as the donor cell. This stem cell can be used in experiments conducted with the goal of understanding disease and developing new treatment for disease. Currently, there is no agreement on the ethical consideration of human cloning, not even in the most accepted form, that is therapeutic cloning. However, it's cloning for reproductive purpose that produces the greatest rejection, since it's considered unreliable, technically and ethically repudiable. In my opinion, cloning is a technique that should be used with responsibility. Humanity is not yet ready to create clone of itself, and I also consider it unnecessary. Therapeutic cloning, on the other hand, can achieve great advance in terms of understanding disease and finding their origin. In addition, the fact that we can clone organs will eliminate the problems of rejection that are generated in people who need transplant. Thank you for watching.